Hello and welcome to this video on the evolution of technology from electric cars to AI robots. In the last decade, we have seen an incredible surge in the development of technology in various fields. One of the most prominent areas of growth has been in electric vehicles and artificial intelligence. In this video, we will explore how electric cars have evolved, how they have influenced the automobile industry, and how AI has revolutionized the way we live and work. Evolution of electric cars. The history of electric cars dates back to the 19th century when they were first introduced. However, they were not popular due to their high cost and limited range. In recent years, advancements in battery technology and renewable energy sources have made electric cars more affordable and practical. Tesla, the electric car company founded in 2003 by Elon Musk, has played a significant role in the evolution of electric cars. The company's innovative electric car models have captured the attention of the world and inspired other manufacturers to invest in electric vehicle technology. Today, electric cars have become more accessible and affordable, with many manufacturers releasing their own electric vehicle models. Governments around the world are also promoting the use of electric cars by providing incentives such as tax breaks and rebates. Impact of electric cars on the automobile industry. The rise of electric cars has had a significant impact on the automobile industry. Traditional automakers are facing stiff competition from electric car manufacturers, and they have had to adapt to the changing market. Electric cars are also changing the way we think about transportation. They offer a cleaner and more sustainable alternative to traditional gas-powered vehicles, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and helping to combat climate change. The electric car industry has also led to the development of new business models such as car sharing and ride-sharing services. Companies like Uber and Lyft have invested heavily in electric cars, and they are changing the way we use and think about transportation. Introduction of AI robots. Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized many industries, including healthcare, finance, and education. In recent years, AI has also made significant strides in robotics. AI robots are robots that use AI technology to learn from their surroundings and perform tasks independently. They can be used in a variety of applications, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and education. One of the most significant advancements in AI robots has been the development of humanoid robots. These robots are designed to look and move like humans and can perform complex tasks such as recognizing faces and emotions. Impact of AI robots on society. The impact of AI robots on society is profound. They offer a range of benefits, from improving efficiency and productivity in the workplace to enhancing healthcare and education. However, AI robots also raise concerns about job displacement and the ethical implications of using intelligent machines. As AI robots become more advanced, they may replace jobs traditionally performed by humans, leading to job losses and economic disruption. There are also concerns about the ethical implications of using AI robots. As AI robots become more intelligent, they may develop their own sense of morality and decision-making abilities. This raises questions about who is responsible for the actions of these machines. Conclusion. In conclusion, the evolution of technology from electric cars to AI robots has had a profound impact on society. Electric cars offer a sustainable and efficient alternative to gas-powered vehicles, while AI robots are changing the way we live and work. As technology continues to evolve, it is important to consider the ethical implications of these advancements and how they will impact society in the future. What are your thoughts on the future of technology, particularly in the areas of electric cars and AI robots? Please share your thoughts in the comment box below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching this video on the evolution of technology from electric cars to AI robots. We hope you enjoyed it and gained valuable insights. Stay tuned for more exciting content from us in the future.